They're kind of like family here. More than one ways, because it is a family-ran business, which is pretty cool too, but they're really family. They help each other out. I like the camaraderie that they have here and a lot of the teamwork with each other, with students and instructors.
What makes them special is honestly the people that work here. It really does give everybody a better perspective on everything, honestly. It's just, they give a lot of support out.
I thought it was going to be way worse, but the way that they set everything up, it took all the edge off. It was super simple to get in the truck and listen to the instructor. And I don't learn in the classroom very well, I'm more hands-on. And so for me to say, hey, I don't get this in the book, and someone can take me outside and show me or explain it to me in the truck, it really helps.
They've taught me so many things, honestly. They've been super supportive about everything and have helped me so much. And I honestly couldn't be more grateful.
It doesn't feel like school. It feels like you're coming to hang out with some good people and work towards something together.